Now, what brings the boys down to Fight Fit this afternoon?
Yeah, well, basically, Slady, we've been doing pre-season for the last 7 weeks, and the boys have been working really hard on the pitch. So we thought we'd basically mix it up a bit and come out here and do a bit of boxing.
Look like they've got a pretty tough workout.
Yeah, they are. The boys are really working hard, and something different, but I'm sure they'll enjoy it.
And how's pre-season been going so far?
So far, so good, Slady. We've had 7 weeks into pre-season at the moment, and the boys are working really hard on the pitch. Something different to them, and hopefully we'll get used to what we're doing, and we just can't wait till the 8th of October.
And what's been the focus so far? Is it more fitness, or have you been doing a bit of both, fitness and ball work?
Oh, both, Slady. Just basically working on our fitness, working on our passing, short, sharp passing that we want to play through the year, and just trying to get the organisation properly.
And we've seen a few new faces this pre-season with the likes of Rojas and Solozano. How have they fitted in?
Yeah, they've fitted in really, really well. I mean, Rojas just got back from America, and he's slotted in really well. Solozano, he's different class, so the boys have fitted in really, really well.
And how have you found your first sort of 8 weeks officially in charge as Melbourne Victory coach?
It's been enjoyable. It's been really, really good. I'm enjoying the challenge.